Embarkation Nation here. We are at the Colony Hotel in Miami Beach, Ocean Drive. Just did a room tour. You'll see that probably sooner than this video. But we are heading to their restaurant that they have downstairs called Montana's. Talked about it. It had a Speakeasy that you can go to. So it's gonna be really cool, really fun. If you stay here, you get 20% off at the restaurant. So it's kind of cool. But also, I want to show you this elevator. It's a classic. Check this elevator out. It's a freaking classic, dude. So, at most, you could probably fit. That's not a good sign. Okay. At most, you could probably fit two people plus a child and 2 luggages in here. That's how many people fit here. So, this is room 312. It's a pretty cute room. Pretty small, but it's going to be perfect for our cruise for tomorrow. It's a perfect little spot. For some strange reason, the voiceover was going out on the camera, so I'm going to do this this way. That's the closet, the bathroom with the light off. Now it's on. You have a pretty small bathroom area. The shower, the stand-up shower, it was pretty decent size. For our trip, it was a pretty good size. You also have the TV right there, and also a place to lay your luggage. You also have a few outlets there, as you can see. There's also a view of the buildings. Nice view of the buildings. You also have 2 beds and a mirror and lights. Refrigerator. Boom. We're probably not going to use it. But yeah, this is room 312. Happy to take you on this adventure. A good start to the adventure. I can't wait. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be a fun trip. I'm going to get the rest of the luggage that we have. We have 2 more things of luggage I have to go get. And then we have dinner at Montana's. And we also got a 20% discount for staying here at the restaurant. So we're going to check that out. It has a speakeasy. And I believe you can go to the bar and request to take pictures with Tony Montana outside in his car. I'm not sure if we can do that, but I'm going to try to. And I'm going to try to get into the speakeasy. Yeah, that's pretty much the room tour. So we were here last year, I believe, when we came to go on World America, MSC World America. CVS is right here, and our hotel is right over here. Within walking distance, you can get all your necessities and stuff that you forgot about. If you've ever watched Scarface, this is a memorable location. Go up here. It's at the beginning scene, probably I think 20 minutes in, 25 minutes in, 30 minutes in. It's where they show up at the hotel and you get that chainsaw scene. If you know, you know. Now what we didn't realize was when you come here during the winter time, they do close the Ocean Drive. So you can kind of see behind me. The road is closed, so you can walk down up and down here, no vehicles. So we just ate at Montana's. It was delicious. Oh my god, it was so good. I'm just kind of walking the Ocean Drive, getting some good shots in. This place at night is an entirely different scene. It's a little bit more lit up. Kind of reminds me of Vegas a little bit. I'm a little bit further down. breakwater. They got this like light show over here. Let's go check it out, see what they got going on. They have an Art Deco gift shop. I did manage to procure some cigars. I'm gonna take on the ship and partake in the cigars. So I have a rule with these. I'm not gonna read every little thing that it says, but I'll pause it for you so you can take a look. We made it back to our hotel. I'm gonna go the other way now. I'm gonna have to go into CVS because I forgot to get a lighter. So I'll show a little bit of CVS inside of CVS. It's bigger than what you think it is. It's 2 stories high. At the Beacon Hotel. So when we got here with all of our luggage, we had to travel some distance because the roads were closed. So we had to walk from out here and go that way. It's not too far of a walk. It wasn't too bad. It was just, you know, when you come in here during winter, I guess from December to a certain time, they close the street. Check out this right here. Classic car alert. That's cool. And the Speakeasy. This is cool. Got Tony Montana right here. Look at that. So I'm back from CVS. Little known fact. The CVS is open 24/7. Not sure about the holidays, but 24/7, which is really cool. I looked at the Speakeasy too, and it looked really cool in there. It was really chill environment. I'm heading back to the room. I'm probably gonna call it a night. It was really fun today. Really exhausted. Sure, all right. I'm not paying attention, but yeah, it was fun. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. Good morning, everybody. We are at South Beach. They have a couple events going on today. A concert, setting up. Not sure who's gonna be at the concert, but looks pretty fun. This is my first time coming here on the beach. Hopefully we can see the sunset or sunrise. Hopefully we can see the sunrise. It's a little cloudy, so it's gonna be a little tough, but you can kind of see it. rearing its head. Yeah, it's a championship game. We thought it was a concert. It's a championship game. University of Miami against University of Indiana. One of the workers that clean up the beach told us that. We asked, and yeah, he was telling us all that. Indiana apparently is undefeated right now. I don't really follow college sports or any team, but interesting, really cool. Yeah, so we're here at the Colony Hotel in Miami, and we had a really great stay here. Absolutely loved it. We have awesome customer host here, Israel. It's been wonderful. Thank you for letting us stay here. It was a blast. Absolutely loved it.
Awesome.
I appreciate you guys.
Make sure to come see him. Say hi.
For sure, come back again. Anybody's more than welcome. We're gonna show you the best guest service.
Yeah. And we are on cruise day. This is so awesome. I can't wait. We're gonna be on the Horizon, Carnival Horizon. This is gonna be fantastic. I can't wait to board. We're boarding in a couple minutes. You're gonna see the ship. This is our first time on Carnival in like 2 years.
So soft, drop anything.